It's easy. It's an easy put on your head hat wig. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey, hey boy, hey girl, how you doing? How you feeling? I'm feeling good, y'all. Do y'all see what is on my head? I'm in love. I'm really happy with this wig. I think this is kind of my style. Today I will be reviewing this beauty right here. I have for you the Freetress baby hair wig. It's in the style 104 and I have the color 1B. This wig right here was really simple, really easy. I didn't do much to this wig. I basically put her on my head and that was it. So this wig comes with a lace part. There are two combs in the front, the irregular cap construction, simple, easy, plop and go. I like this wig because of the curls. It looks kind of like natural vacation hair, but it's a good length. This wig kind of reminds me of my birthday hair wig that I did. It was long and it was a different color and it was cute, but it was a lot of hair. But these curls right here are your like nice wavy, like effortless beach vibe curls for a nice length. It is summertime coming up. It's getting hot out there, so we don't want all that hair on us, okay? We want to look good, but yet we want to look good with just like simple looking units. I like this hair because it kind of looks like a human hair unit without a human hair price. I did go in with a little bit of powder in the front. This unit does come with some baby hairs. I didn't swoop them. I didn't do all that. If you want, you can swoop your baby hairs. You can do that. The cap feels good on this. It's very comfortable. I'm not having any issues with this. And I didn't manipulate these curls too much because this is a synthetic unit. And over time, it's going to get bigger. It's going to get fuller. It's going to fluff out over time. Do what you feel like you need to do. But I kind of like it to look a little, you know, how it's looking fresh out the pack a little bit first and then go from there, okay? The length is good. It's a nice kind of, it's layered nicely. It's like in the front, it has nice layers. Like I didn't have to do anything to this wig and I'm all for it. It's not all one length. It's nice and layered. It's a good, like you got some short pieces up here and then it's longer. And then in the back, it gets a little bit longer, but it's still nicely layered. It still looks good. This hair is just, it's just that. It's nothing else to say. I don't have nothing else to say. I'm not really getting any shedding as far as tangling. It's curly. Yeah, it's easy. It's an easy put on your head hat wig. If you're liking this makeup look, I did film it and I will leave a link to that. I just felt like being a little funky with the blue. If you like it, check out that video. Let me know how y'all feeling about this hair. Do you like her? What are y'all thinking? Let me know because I'm all for it. I'm all for that put on your head and go girl. Anyway, until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.